Hey, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be kind of a pain in the ass because we got to take the skid plate off here and replace the pop rivets there with nut certs. But the reason is so I can grease the drive line because it has that rattle in it. And I don't believe I'm still under warranty or anything, so I'm not going to bother taking it to the dealer to put in that set screw and the grease fitting. I'll do that later on, but for now I'm just going to grease the drive line so I can get this back on the trail. Yep, this is from last year. We can't get this stuff up here in Maine. Got to go down to Massachusetts, but well worth it. So if you're watching this, there's only a handful of videos right now that kind of go over this, but I believe it's probably because it's pretty generic and an easy fix. But you can take these off by drilling them out or using an air chisel. It's probably the fastest way, just to chisel off the rivet head here and then drill out the rest of it, or just tap it up into the frame. But as you can see, we got quite a bit to do, and then we have all these ones too along, you know, the rockers, I guess. So those got to come out as well. All right, so we can see I've done one already. This is a nut cert with the M6 bolt. These are stainless steel, but I'm just gonna kind of show you the process here. So here's one here, and there's a couple right there. I'll just go ahead and I'll do the next one. Put the camera down, show you the process. So I never wrapped up this video with replacing all the rivets underneath, or I stopped at a certain point, but the whole purpose for me was to take all these rivets and replace them with nut certs so I could remove the skid plate, these two sections, the front section and the back section. There's actually one more section back here which I didn't do. But the whole purpose of that was to get to the drive shaft. That way I could grease it, because it makes that awful grinding noise at low speeds. So anyway, this is just an update, let you guys know that it is holding up pretty well. I have no issues whatsoever. It was pretty tedious to do this job. But as you can tell, things are looking good now, and my skid plate's not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm pretty happy overall. I just wish I had had to do that in the first place. But it's done now. So if you want to try to do something like this yourself, take it from me. It sucks, but it's worth it when you need to access everything underneath. What else can I say about this? I don't really know. I'll, give you an update, let you know how things hold up. I was kind of worried about compromising the frame integrity with drilling out the hole to, I think it was 9mm or something for the nutcert to fit, but they're spaced out pretty far enough. I don't think it's really gonna matter or make a difference. So far so good. Put some miles on this year, so pretty happy about that. Anyway, that wraps up the video. Thanks for watching.